and I just wanted to show you what the grapes look like. It has been 48 and 55 hours, and they still are, well, they're done. They're cooked as much as I'm going to, they're dehydrated as much as I'm going to dehydrate them. But this is all that it was, 2 trays, and I put them onto 1 tray, and this is all it is. And I'm going to fill my jar up and put them in the jar, and then I'm going to seal them with my vacuum seal, and I'll be right back. Okay, here's what's in the jar. This is all the raisins that I got out of the 2 trays of grapes. About a half a quart. And I'm going to show you how to seal this with the FoodSaver. Alright, see, I have my lid on there. And sometimes I have a problem with the lid sealing with the FoodSaver. So what I'll do is I'll put a lid on upside down. Let me get this right here. I'll put the lid on upside down, and then I'll put my jar sealer. Well, I'm telling you, I'm having a hard time learning how to do this with a camcorder with one hand. I'm just not an ambidextrous person. Alright, so I've got one lid on upside down and one on right. And here goes my jar sealer. I'm going to put my jar sealer on there. Well, maybe. I'll be right back. I cannot. Okay, now I have the jar sealer on there, and I'm going to push the vacuum and seal button on my FoodSaver, and you can hear it's gone up to the 4th light. You may be able to hear this seal. Okay, now, hold on. I'm going to take this off. Alright, see? Now this is totally sealed, and that's how I do. I just hit the battery and it cut the camcorder off. So anyway, these are sealed, and now I'll put the ring on it, and I will write on it today's date, and that it's dehydrated raisins or grapes or whatever you want to say. It's raisins now, it was grapes, and this is sealed. So this will be good for, I haven't decided yet when I'm going to put them in. Cinnamon raisin rolls, or what I'm going to do with it. I guess I could make rice pudding and put it in that. But here's my FoodSaver, and there's my jar sealer. And I absolutely love my FoodSaver. I got it off of HSN and got it on the Flex Pay. I ended up paying a total of $108 for this, and it was at Walmart for $159. So I really got a good deal on it, and it's well worth using when you dehydrate things and you want to seal it. And I'm going to use it to seal my beans in jars, and my rice and pasta and sugar and salt, and I'm going to figure out how to get to store all of this stuff. So if you like this video, be sure that you mark it as liked, and if you like my channel, please subscribe to it. And this is Debbie. Thanks. Bye.